Mommy, I want to be like you. Hello, my name is Sarah. I am a very busy mom. Finally, I have a free weekend for myself. Time to visit the nail salon. Suddenly, Lily runs from her bedroom to the door. Lily is my cute little daughter. I love her very much. I want to go with Mommy. Lily begs to come. I touch her head very gently. Nails are not fun for kids, you know. Lily blinks and looks at my face. I just want to be near you, Mommy. All right, let's have a cute mother-daughter day then. Then we arrive at the nail salon. Wow, the salon is so pretty and shiny. Let me see. I choose a beautiful red color. Lily, you can sit and wait for Mommy right here. First, the nail technician lady trims my nails carefully. Afterwards, she files them to be perfectly round. Lily looks at my hands very closely. Wow, Mommy's hands are so clean. After that, I must soak my hands. I put them in a bowl of warm water. This makes my cuticles very soft. Aw, Lily watches me with big, bright eyes. Later, the worker scrubs my skin smoothly. She moisturizes my hands with soft lotion. Lily touches my small finger very gently. She whispers, "So soft, Mommy." Meanwhile, the exciting painting step begins. The nail technician applies a clear base coat first. This helps the color stay for a long time. Next, she applies the bright red color. She puts on 2 thin layers of polish. Finally, she adds a shiny top coat. Wow, my nails look so beautiful now. I put my hands inside the UV machine. I need to dry my nails completely. As I sit still, I hear Lily talking to the nail technician. Can I be pretty like Mommy? Eventually, the machine beeps very loudly. I open my eyes, stretch my arms, and oh my! Lily has a red heart on one of her nails. The nail technician winks and smiles at me. She used safe, kid-safe polish for Lily. Your daughter wants it so much, so I decided to help her. She wants your color to be just like you, pretty mom. Lily jumps up and down very happily. Mommy, look at my small finger. Am I beautiful like you now? I look at the tiny red heart. Yes, you are the prettiest girl ever. This heart is very small, but your love for me is very big. I cry a little because I feel so touched. Lily does not follow me just to play. She follows me because I am her hero. She wants to be beautiful just like me. Let's listen and support our kids' small dreams. Confidence and love start from our home. Let's answer the following questions. Question 1. Why does Sarah go to the nail salon? Answer. She goes to the nail salon because she finally has a free weekend for herself. Question 2. What does the nail technician do first for Sarah? Answer. She trims Sarah's nails carefully first. Question 3. What color does Sarah choose for her nails? Answer. She chooses a beautiful red color for her nails. Question 4. What does the nail technician put on Sarah's nails first before the red color? Answer. She puts a clear base coat on Sarah's nails first. Question 5. What does the small red heart on Lily's nail mean? Answer. It means Lily's love for her mommy is very big. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this lesson helpful and fun. Please like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring.